Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video we'll be working here on a Chevy Cruze guys, and we will show you how to remove or how to replace the exterior door handle mechanism, the whole mechanism. I'm not just talking about the door handle. Door handle is way easier and we have the video on the channel as well, but we're going to explain how to guys actually remove and replace the whole mechanism. Make sure you stay with us until the end guys. We'll share very helpful information. If you guys need tools or any parts guys for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can get them for a really good price. Quick introduction, we have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze guys, so please subscribe, and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why? Because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So let's go ahead and start on the exterior door handle replacement now, exterior door handle mechanism. In order guys to remove or replace the exterior door handle mechanism, we'll need to actually remove the door panel to get to there. So stay with us, we'll cover that, door panel, exterior door handle, then we'll get to the mechanism. So first, what do we need to do now? Right here we have two caps that we need to remove. I'm going to explain the first one right here. It's under the door handle guys, you have a cap that we need to remove. This one you just get a small screwdriver, okay, and we pop it loose. And why we need to do that? Because there is one screw underneath. Okay. He has guys 3 clips, 1, 2, 3. Now underneath there is a screw. That screw guys, it's Torx 20. Start looking bit. We even have the power screwdriver that we're going to demonstrate in a little bit. Perfect. Now right here in the door handle we have another one. Remove that one as well. Well, actually we got 2. I don't know how we have 2 covers there. Somebody left another one. So remove that screw as well. 2 so far. If you guys need to buy any tools, any parts for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can find tools and parts for a great price. Okay, great. Now what we're going to do now guys, okay, we need to get a plastic panel removal tool. All that will be listed in the description of the video below. We need to go between the door panel, okay, usually you want to go between the door panel and the door, okay, and pry it open. Yep, right here I think we'll be able to do it on the bottom. It's pretty tight, this one hasn't been removed, so okay. You're going to have multiple clips and we're going to explain about all that in a second. After that, grab it, okay, but here, okay, let's see if that mirror cover comes off now or later. Okay, now we need to remove the mirror cover. It has only 1 clip and 1 fell out, actually 2 clips guys. You can see where there's supposed to be 1 here, 1 there, so we'll get a clip removal tool, we'll go underneath this one, okay, and pull it out and install it on the cover, so later we can install it, otherwise we won't be able to install it. Perfect. Next, we need to grab the panel and lift straight up so we can come out of the locking rod here. Okay, just a little bit more. Perfect. Now, we guys need to disconnect. Okay, we need to disconnect the cable that opens the door right here. Okay, it's supposed to spread out, then pull it, come out of the canal and pull out of the ball. And next thing that we need to do, we need to disconnect all the wires guys, okay, for the master window switch, power locks, and the mirror switch for the side mirrors. We're going to explain each one of those, okay, once we remove the panel, so you can see how we do that, because otherwise it's practically impossible. So, okay, just working on the last one now. Okay, perfect. Right here guys, okay, let me show you quick. On this one, okay, you press down, you pull it out. This way, you press down here, you pull it out. On this thing right here guys, you need to pull that red thing out a little bit, okay, then press in here and pull it out. Now where are all the clips on that door panel? So you know what we have here. Okay, we have a clip that needs to be, okay, replaced. It's broken right here. 1, 2, clips 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. 7, 8 clips, guys. 8 clips. So 4 yellow, 4 gray ones. And the door panel comes out of there. So next we have 2 screws with Torx 20 that we need to remove again. Right here they hold that bracket for the door panel, guys, right here. So go ahead, remove those. Okay, great. Next, what do we need to do? Okay, that insulation, you have to gently pull it out without breaking it, guys. You have to be super careful because otherwise you're going to hear wind noise. Winter time, your car will not be insulated as good. Definitely you'll get colder out inside, and summertime as well. So gently, guys, start pulling that thing until we take it off. Okay, that's it. We can just leave it there, just a little bit more on this side. Okay, and that should be enough. If you want, you can remove the whole thing, but for that purpose you might need to remove the door speaker to remove the whole insulation. We're going to get some duct tape and we're going to tape the window to stay up now, or you have to have a person holding it, but I recommend to tape it really good, guys. Maybe even 2-3 spots, not just one. Ours, one holds pretty good, but always double secure it so you don't, it doesn't drop, it doesn't smash your fingers, and it doesn't break inside your door as well. So what we need to do now, we need to get, guys, a 10mm socket. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and loosen the window. Okay, that's it. There is one bracket there, one right here. Those are the okay, this is the spots where it holds your window. So that is out, guys. Okay, you can see, don't take them all the way off. It just spreads the clamps. We're going to show you in a second how it works, and actually spreads them and releases the window from the holders. Now 10mm bolt on the bottom. Get that one out. 10mm there. This one, just get it loose. Okay, or maybe take it off. We'll just take it off. You can even slide them if you want to. Okay, regulator is gonna fall on one side. Now we have one more there in the middle. Okay, now it's very important how we remove it, guys, because we need to install it exactly in the same way. So we need to remember, guys, okay, how that thing comes out in what order. Otherwise, okay, it will be hard to install it later. Okay, probably one of the things will come out first. We need to disconnect the wire, pull that red thing out. Okay, let me see. Okay, like that. Now press here on the front. Okay, over the back side. Right there. And disconnect it, guys. Okay, let me show you the connector quick. This is the connector, that's where we pressed in. Now, let's try to get the regulator out. Maybe one arm at a time without breaking things. Okay, and you can see the whole assembly with the window motor, everything came out of there just like that. So what we're going to do, we'll remove the duct tape now, and we're going to attempt to remove the window. Okay, perfect. Now we're going to grab the window with 2 hands gently and hold it, guys, and pull it down. While we're pulling it down, pushing it down actually, okay, we'll try to twist it, okay, in an angle like that, come out of the canals and grab the window and pull it out. So how you guys remove the exterior door handle now? Let's explain, okay, what needs to be done. So next, right here when you open the door, okay, right here, guys, you have that cap that we need to remove. Okay, this cap will need to be removed all the way. So just grab it and pull it out. Okay, perfect. Now right here on the inside there is one screw with Torx 20, star looking bit actually. Okay, like this one here. We're going to start unscrewing that one, and at the same time while we're unscrewing, guys, okay, we're going to go ahead and grab the cylinder door lock. Okay, right here, door lock cylinder. and try to wiggle it out. Okay, right there. Now let me explain something quick. With that thing out, now if you try to open the door, it doesn't work and you're about to freak out what's happening. You need to screw the bolt back in because it's moving that plate, and once it moves that plate more, a little bit more, okay, like that, you'll be able to open your door again. But now, how you guys remove that door handle? Let's explain that now. Now, what do we need to do now, guys? Okay, check out now how the handle moves on the inside. Okay, let's open the door handle. Open, close. Okay, so what I need to do, that thing that moves on top, okay, I'm trying to focus there a little bit. Let me see if I can focus. Yep, I need to grab it with my hand and pull it down. Okay, hold it down, and while I'm holding it down, okay, one second, we'll grab the handle and pull it out. Okay, and slide it out of there. Okay, you can see like that, not very complicated, but it just, you can see it comes out. Why we guys need to do that? Okay, the mechanism that I was moving up and down is actually right here. Okay, let me see where it went. Okay, you can see that arm that is moving. By doing that, it will release it and you can get the handle out. Now, when you're ready to install it, okay, let's just show quick how to install it now, guys. It's very important. You go on the front first. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead, pull that thing down, get the door handle in, and release. And this is it, guys. So you can see, and now I'm going to pull it down by hand, grab the handle, remove it, and it comes out. So now we need to get a Torx 20 star looking bit. Okay, we need to get that bolt loose. It's supposed to be silver in color, but it's been repainted. Okay, like that. Do not remove it the whole way, just get it loose. Now, what do we need to do on the inside? Let me get a screwdriver, guys. Okay, right here now. Okay, I'm trying to, let me see if I can get the camera in the door so I can show you things with a great detail now and what needs to be done. Things are a little bit, okay, tight here, perfect. Now, that thing right there, guys, okay, we need to disconnect, let me find a screwdriver quick, that rod. Okay, that locking rod, so this thing needs to be open. Okay, this thing needs to open, guys. It opens like that. The rod comes out. Okay, perfect. So that's unhooked. Now we need to grab the handle on the inside, and let me just focus quick here. Okay, 1 second. Go to the front. It comes out. Now we need to disconnect the locking rod, guys. That's the only thing that we have to disconnect. Okay, right here. And this thing, okay, those white things, you need to push them in and pull the rod out. So this thing, I will need to get a screwdriver to do it. So now what you're supposed to do, guys, okay, right here, okay, you're supposed to squish, okay, these ends up on each side and come out, but if you pull it a little bit to the outside, okay, I can disconnect it and it comes out like that. And the mechanism that I was talking about, okay, it's right here. You can see how it gets stuck, so it cannot come out. But if you find a way to squish those, okay, towards up and down, at the same time the rod will come out. And you can see that the exterior door handle, guys, okay, came out of there just like that. So that's how you guys remove it. So this is the door lock mechanism, the whole mechanism, guys. Okay, like that. Remember the thing that we were pushing up and down, okay, to open the door, it's that weight right here. It just goes, okay, like that. So this is it, guys. As you can see, putting it together is in reverse order. We took it apart. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that repair. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.